Hi, I'm Weier O'Phinney. I'm a PHP developer. I'm project lead behind Zen Framework, Expressive, and App Agility. But this October, when I give a keynote at ZendCon, I'm not going to talk directly about those projects. I'm going to talk about middleware. Now, some of you might know about middleware from ecosystems such as Python or Ruby or Node, but middleware has actually been around in PHP for quite a number of years. It's just that it's now gaining more popularity because of the passage of PSR 7, the standards recommendation for HTTP messages. So why do I find middleware so interesting? It's because it allows me to create code for common tasks, compose that code into existing stacks, and thus implement complex behavior. So as an example, I might be working on a project that later in development, somebody says, hey, you know what, we actually need authentication and authorization, but only for certain areas of the website. With a middleware-based application, this is actually trivial. I drop in the middleware I need, precisely where I need it, on the exact routes where it needs to be used, and I'm done. And even better, quite often that middleware already exists. I don't have to write it because of the PSR 7 ecosystem. So I might be writing my application in Relay or Slim or Expressive, but because that middleware just targets PSR 7, I can drop it in, and now the functionality is present. This bodes well for applications of any size, whether it's a one-off API or it's a multifaceted enterprise application. It's essentially Legos for web applications. So join me in October to learn more about PHP middleware at ZendCon.